Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use circle to search in Samsung A16. If you are using Samsung A16 and now you want to enable circle to search, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open settings, then go for display, tap on it, then go for navigation bar, and here you will get the circle to search option. You must have to enable it, then go back. And whenever you want to search anything, you must have to keep a long press on your home button to enable circle to search, just like this. Just circle the area with which you want to search, and I'm going to search on this one. Just circle on this, and then it will search in Google. So that's how you can easily use circle to search. Here's the second way. If you're using any app and you want to use circle to search on that app, just open the app. So let's say I'm going to open settings, and here just look for which you want to search, and I'm going to search for this one. Just keep a long press on your home button, and then the circle the search will be enabled. Just circle the area with which you want to search as I have circled. So that's how you can easily use circle to search in Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.